Today we're going to discuss how to use the AC drain pump when you have a clogged drain line on your air conditioning unit. First, remove it from the box. Second, remove the hose from the pump. Third, screw the hose where it says hose connection into the unit. Then, place it on the floor. When you approach your air conditioning unit, you're either going to see a piece of clear hose or a continuous PVC run of line. In that case, if you have a piece of continuous PVC, you're going to have to cut the line. Once you cut the line, or whether you have a piece of clear hose, remove the downside drain and attach the fitting from the AC drain pump. Then simply pump the AC drain pump slowly several times until you feel the line clear. Once the line is clear, simply attach the downside line back to the clear hose and your drain line is clear. It's as simple as that. Thank you very much.